Hi, welcome to the Eastern Township School Board series of videos. In this module, we're going to explore screen sharing in Zoom, part of the Introduction to Technologies for Learning course. So, when you are in a Zoom meeting, you might be asked to share your screen. Now there's a little share screen button here at the bottom. If you don't see it, just move your mouse around your screen and you'll see it here. This just tells me that I'm muted and I'm actually talking. So if you want to click on screen sharing, when you're prompted to do so, you'll be presented with this little window here. Now let me explain all the different parts of this window. First of all, you've got three tabs at the top. You've got your basic tab, advanced, and files. Let's start with basic. So all of these screens here that you can see, most of you might only have three of them, but if you have more, you'll see them here. Let me explain what they are. First of all, these are all your open window inside your computer right now. As you can see, I've got my Finder open here because I'm on a Mac. If you want a PC, you would have the Explorer open, as we can see here. I also have a website with a video on. I have my desktop as well that shows me everything. I also have a second screen, so I have a second desktop. We also have access to a whiteboard, just like in a classroom, and also iPad. Now I've got iPhone or iPad. I've got two different versions. It could be via AirPlay because I'm on a Mac, or if you're on a PC, you'll see iPhone, iPad. Fortunately, this isn't, it's not available for anything else than iPhone, iPad at this moment. At the recording of this video, these are all the options available. So here you can pick any one of the screens you want to, and this will share this screen, for example, this one, with everybody that's in this class. Under the Advanced tab, here we can share slides as a virtual background. We can show portion of the screen, just share music or sound, and we can also share a second camera if you have a second camera plugged in. You can also go to Files and go directly to your Google Drive and share a document that you're working on. So these are your different options. Now if I go back to basics in here and I want to share a video, let's say, so I select the screen I want to share by clicking on it. Now if you are sharing video, you'll notice those two options at the bottom. By default, they're turned off. And that's a very big gotcha. It's a very important thing to turn them on, because if you don't turn them on, people will see the video but they will not hear it. So if you have to present a video or share a video, click on Optimize Screen Share for Video Clip. That will turn both of them on, as you'll see here. Now once they're turned on, then you can click the share button. This will actually share your screen. So if I click here, this will show me a green border around what I'm sharing. So it's actually blending with my other green background, but if you had the color, a different color here, you would definitely see the green lines around the screen that you're sharing to show you that you're in screen sharing. Now, whatever you do, if you play the video or if you are doing work on let's say a document, people will see that, everybody in the class. Now you'll notice your toolbar will go at the top. So here you've got different things. You can actually allow remote control for somebody else. You can select annotate so that you can actually put some drawings here. If you want to highlight something, you can turn annotating off here. And when you're done, it tells you up here your screen sharing. It tells you the amount of time this meeting was on, because this is a setting that I've turned on. You can also turn off your sound and video and also go to your encryption. But when you're done, you can click the Stop Sharing button, and this will actually go back to the class. Now, another thing we can share, which is quite interesting, especially when you're talking to a teacher and you want to show something you're working on, but you're working on it with a pen. So if you click on Share Screen and you're lucky enough to have an iPhone or an iPad, click on that. It has to be connected via the cable. In other words, the cable has to be connected to your computer and the other end of the cable has to be in the phone or the iPad. Once this is done, you click Share. And what this will do is it'll actually share your screen. So in a few seconds, you'll see my screen appear, and basically that's my phone. Now I can go through and scroll through. I can even open my camera, and that will allow me to show you what I'm working on. So if you have a teacher, you have a math problem, for example, and you want to show them your math problem, you can actually do this. You can also take a photo and just send it to them. But actually this will let you move around and it'll let you share. So when you're done, click on Stop Sharing and you'll go back to the class. So that's screen sharing. Basically, make sure you click on that tab, select what you want. If this is a video that you're sharing, make sure you turn both of these on. If you want to share your phone, click on iPhone. And if you're ready, just select your screen, click on share, and that's it. Once you're done, don't forget to click the stop sharing button on top of your screen.